How to turn on Fortnite voice chat. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Fortnite. Enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in here, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner. And then click on this mic icon. Right now you can see that the voice chat is set to nobody. You can simply change it to friends only, friends and teammate, and also everybody. After that, you can set the volume of your voice. You can set it as per your need. You can also change the voice method from open mic to push to talk. You can also select the preferred channel. And at the very last, you can also enable the voice indicators. Once you have set all of the settings, your voice chat will be enabled. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable voice chat on Fortnite on PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.